Terraform Part 9. I have no fucking clue if Terraform is what we need. So this is the slideshow 10 for video 9. I know the numbers don't fucking line up. So I didn't know where I was left off, so I did Terraform config, searched for it. I got to language documentation. I read the language documentation and got the basic idea of kind of how a Terraform configuration file works. And we have this little tutorial, right? Write Terraform configuration tutorials. So I go there and it looks like, whoa, all the little options for these look like this is not a minimum viable product. Like, this is getting too in depth. So I Google search again. I'm like, set up Terraform Node.js server, right? That's what I want to do eventually. And then I get this DigitalOcean example. Now, when I go to git clone this, right? I git clone the example, and it's fucking huge, right? The configuration file itself is fucking huge. And there's like 400 plus files in this Git repo. That's not a fucking minimal example. I can get a minimal working Hello World Node.js application on Heroku. I can get that working in 11 fucking lines of code and only 2 files, right? So why the fuck can't I find a minimal Node.js Terraform example or Terraform Node.js example, hello world, right? Why can't I find a minimal example, right? So I'm looking around and then I'm like, minimum working example, Terraform Node.js, let's go look for that, right? Why the fuck can we not find something, right? So infrastructure as code with Terraform, this looked interesting. So I read this, infrastructure as code with Terraform, skimmed through it, and as I'm skimming through it, I come to the Azure, right? Azure for like server space, this thing here. I'm like, wait, so can we only wrap like a different cloud provider? So it's like Terraform like a wrapper. And so I go to this base URL, I hit view more, and when I view more, I see that there is Terraform Cloud and Hashicorp Cloud Platform, and maybe we need to use Terraform Cloud or Hashicorp Cloud Platform or something. I don't know what needs to be done. I have no fucking clue what to do, but maybe we need to look at these Terraform Cloud tutorials. Maybe I need to watch a 13 fucking hour tutorial so that I can figure out the 10 lines of code that I need to fucking write. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail, we'll figure it out eventually.